Gary Keller's The One Thing, right? Founder of Gary Keller Williams Real Estate. And what's that one thing that if you just master, it's going to make everything in your life or your business that much better? But when you're talking about, okay, once we start revenue, we start making money. I've got a story to tell you. I've got a client that he's a crypto hoe. He is. He had $1 million of crypto. The next quarter, he had 300,000. Right?
Mm.
And I'm like, okay, what do we learn? What do we learn? He goes, I should have taken some of my winnings, right? Should have taken some of my winnings. So now on the other hand, that million could have gone to 2 million bucks at a different time, right? And you look at Bill Gates, right? So Bill Gates diversified from Microsoft stock. His, I think, third or fourth in command, Steve Ballmer, did not, right?
Mm.
And now Steve Ballmer is wealthier than Bill Gates is, right? So it's a constant balancing act. Nobody's got the crystal ball, but it is looking at this and saying, okay, we've got to know what the risks are. We got to be able to absorb the risk. We got to be able to spread these risks out a little bit here.
Right. Yeah. Usually, we're coming up on time right now. Usually, what I do is ask you for some advice for these guys. But I think, man, I think this whole podcast has been nothing but advice, right? You gotta get started. You gotta get on the right track. You need to get a mentor. You need to, find somebody who's going to advise you on how to properly place your money. There's so many different things you can do, but number one, you've just got to take action.